Type 1. Structural support loss. It's also called the foundation shift. Number 2. Fat descent. Number 3. Fascia tension loss. Now, let's do a quick self-test. Don't overthink it, just try this. Number 1. The elongation test. Stand tall. Gently pull your chin back, not down. Imagine the crown of your head lifting upward. If your jawline immediately sharpens, this is posture-related support loss. Sometimes it's not sagging, it's collapse. Number 2. The cheek lift test. Place 2 fingers at your mouth corners and lift up right at under your cheekbones. Gently lift upward. Smile naturally. If your jawline suddenly looks clear, your fat has shifted downward. It doesn't need removal, it needs repositioning. Number 3. The rebound test. Slightly tap along your jawline. If your skin rebounds quickly, tension is strong. If it feels delayed or soft, fascia tension may be reduced. Tension defines edges. When tension drops, edges blur. Number 4. The 40-degree lift. Lift your head slightly, about 45 degrees. If the jawline becomes defined again, gravity is your main driver. And this is highly trainable. Here's what I want you to hear. You're not just aging. Your face is responding to structural changes. And the structure can be trained. It's not about pushing harder. It's not about aggressive massage. It's not about chasing trends. It's about direction, the right structure, the right sequence, and the right training. If you haven't done the self-assessment, click the link below in the comments. Assess before you train. Stay tuned. In the next videos, I will show you exactly how to train each one safely and effectively. Because once you understand the structure, you stop fighting your face and you start rebuilding it. Facial sagging usually comes from 3 things: loss of support, fat pad descent, and reduced tension. So this routine will address all 3 things. Part 1. Support dominant type. If you are this type, you need to practice deeper support activation. This is especially helpful if you have mid-face flattening, sunken base of nose, or shortened face appearance. Step 1. Deep neck activation. Sit or stand upright. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Gently tuck your chin back. Now, engage your neck. Imagine your back of your head lifting upward. You should feel your neck muscle activate. Repeat this for about 30 seconds. Around 15 seconds in, you may feel a deep sensation at the back of your neck. That's a sign your deep muscles and fascia are activating. After that, you can gently tap to relax. Now, do you feel that your neck feels longer? Let me know how this feels for you. If you experience something different, tell me in the comments and I will help you adjust. This exercise helps stabilize the head position and reduce composition that contributes to mid-face collapse. Step 2. Zygomatic arch stabilization. The zygomatic arch is one of the most important structural beams of the mid-face. You can feel it along your cheekbones. Use your fingers to gently hold it in place. Lightly anchor the structure inward, not lifting but stabilizing. Then add a gentle smile. Make sure you are not creating expression eyes. Hold for about 60 seconds. This helps give your mid-face a stable support signal and re-engages deeper muscles. Step 3. Micro-resistance lift. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. Gently purse your lips. Then add a soft smile. Place your hands on your cheeks and add slight resistance. This prevents overcompression of the skin and activates the muscles more effectively. The lift here comes from the muscle activation, not pulling the skin. Part 2. Fat pad descent type. If you have deeper nasolabial folds, heaviness around your mouth, and blurred jawline, your focus will be direction reset. Well, we need to understand that gravity will always exist. Our goal is not to fight fat, it's to improve the structure that supports it. So we need to work with the whole body to build stronger, more stable support. Step 1. Open the chest. Place your hands under your collarbones. Inhale and open your chest. Exhale and relax. That helps to counter forward head posture and reduces the downward pull on the face. The research shows at just 15 degrees of the forward head posture, your neck carries about 12 kilograms of pressure. At 60 degrees, it can reach 27 kilograms. Many people spend long hours in this posture every day. Over time, this can lead to muscle imbalances, shallow breathing, and even headaches and fatigue. More importantly, when your structural support weakens, the soft tissues of the face become more prone to sagging, which can accelerate visible aging. That's why this is something you should practice regularly. If you sit for a long period or spend a lot of time looking down, take a break every 30 to 60 minutes. Open up your chest, release the tension, and reset your posture. Step 2. Gentle lymphatic direction. Using very light pressure, guide from the corner of the mouth toward the temples, then drain behind the ear to the collarbone. Pause and press for a few seconds at the collarbones. This is not about pushing fat, it's about guiding direction through the fascia and the lymph. Step 3. Neck lengthening. Cross your arms and gently hold your shoulders or thumb. Extend your neck in the opposite direction. Feel the length. Hold each side for 30 seconds. This helps restore upward tension and improve jawline definition. Part 3. Fascia laxity type. If you are this type, you need to focus on full body tension reset and work systematically. Step 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Place your hands on your rib cage. As you inhale, feel your ribs expand outward. As you exhale, gently draw your navel inward. We will start with 3 breaths in, 3 breaths out. This is the beginner level of our breathing sequence. Over time, the goal is to build up to 9 sets of 3 breaths, about 20 minutes in total. When combined with the rest of the training, this breathing helps release restrictions in the fascia, ligaments, and connective tissues, while improving circulation and internal energy flow. If 3 breaths feels difficult at first, you can simply start with 1 inhale and 1 exhale. This exercise helps restore core tension and improve overall firmness and stability. The second exercise is spinal extension and articulation. Stand tall, open your chest, engage your core, and gently lift your head. Now, slowly lower your head and begin to roll your spine down one segment at a time, allowing your body to hinge forward about 45 to 60 degrees. Then gently lift your head, lengthen through the neck, and use your head to guide the spine. Back up, segment by segment. Return slowly to an upright position. From there, slightly lean back, round your chest, tuck your chin, engage your core, and come back to your starting position. Repeat this sequence. It doesn't matter whether your body feels flexible or stiff. What matters is that you feel the spine moving and flowing one segment at a time. We're not forcing range, we are restoring mobility and control. Spinal movement like this helps improve nervous system efficiency, making your body more coordinated and responsive. It also improves posture, reduce forward head position and rounded shoulders, which directly support better facial alignment. This exercise also activates deep stabilizing muscles, helps relieve tension in the neck, shoulders, and the lower back, and improve blood and lymphatic circulation. Over time, this can enhance facial tone, reduce puffiness, and improve overall complexion. It also helps release facial tension and improve breathing patterns, which are essential for long-term anti-aging. By improving overall facial tension, you may also notice less fluctuation in how your face looks from morning to evening. The third exercise is gentle tapping to awaken the system. Using your fingertips, slightly tap your scalp, face, neck, and shoulders. Keep it relaxed, no force. This is not about stimulation, it's about awakening. Light tapping like this helps reconnect your nervous system, so your muscle and fascia can respond better. It may look simple, but it's a powerful reset for your entire system. Let's quickly recap. If your tissue is support loss, focus on stability, not lifting. If it's fat displacement, adjust the direction, not force. If it's a laxity, restore tension through the whole body. Let's do a basic exercise that helps stabilize the lower body and create upper lifting line through the whole structure. Step 1. Establish the standing position. Find a wall and stand with your back against it. Then take a small step forward. Place your feet shoulder width apart. Let your knees relax slightly and bend into small half squat. Keep your back touching the wall. Now place your weight in the center of your feet. Imagine your feet gently gripping the ground. Think of your feet like the roots of the tree growing into the ground. When the lower body becomes stable, the force lines of the body naturally begins to extend upward. Step 2. Light pelvic lift. Now, stay in the same position. Gently engage your lower abdomen. As you do that, let your lower back softly press into the wall. You will notice your abdomen flattens slightly, and your pelvis gently pulls backward. Step 3. Lift the leg. Keep your position unchanged. Press your tongue gently against the roof of your mouth. Straighten your chin slightly, and feel as if your neck is being lengthened. Do not tilt your head up. Keep your gaze forward. At the same time, imagine your spine elongating, your neck lengthening, and your face subtly lifting, making your facial contours clearer. In this position, your head, shoulders, upper back, and hips should all be in contact with the wall. This posture is very effective for improving anterior pelvic tilt, and is especially helpful for people who sit for long periods or experience lower back discomfort. When those three steps are combined, they form a complete movement that helps strengthen the lower body while resetting the alignment of the pelvis and spine. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds.
If you can maintain it for 2 minutes or longer, even better. When you first start, begin with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration. Over time, you will notice your facial contour becoming more defined.